In this video I will show you how to fix you locked your profile on Facebook. When we lock the profile on Facebook, then it will show a limited view of your profile content to the people you are not friends with on Facebook. Only your friends can see your posts, full-size profile and cover photos, stories and new content. Past public posts will be restricted to friends only. Profile review and tag review will be enabled, allowing you to approve tags before they appear on your profile. So to remove this lock, click on profile icon at bottom right corner. Then click on settings at the top. Scroll down and under audience and visibility click on profile locking. Then click on unlock icon as shown here. Next click on unlock your profile. If you get this, click on OK. Then you will see there is no message mentioning you locked your profile. So we successfully removed that message. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.